Think your utility bill is too high? I'm going to show you how you figure it out. First thing you want to do is go to your total electric charges and get that number down. Then you want to find your total kilowatt hours. This is about 875 on my bill. So if we take our total new charges at $135.99 and we divide that by 875 kilowatt hours, we come up with about 15 cents per kilowatt hour. The national average is 13 cents a kilowatt hour. Now we know that the charges are within reason, so we want to look at the actual consumption and figure out if our consumption is too much for the amount of occupants in the house. Okay, so a couple things to note. The national average is 600 kilowatt hours for an average family of 4, which turns out to be 150 kilowatt hours per person. On my bill, I have an 875 kilowatt hours, and I have 7 people in the home. That means that I am below the national average at 125 kilowatts. However, if you have an electric water heater, you're going to need to adjust your calculations to a national average of about 1,000 kilowatt hours per 4 people, which would give you 250. So you want to stay below the 250. If you do these calculations and you fall in the category where you're above the national average, it's very possible you could have some problem in your house. Follow me and I'll show you some of the common things that'll increase your electrical consumption.